The Samsung Galaxy S24's new AI features can predict your next move before you even make it. And if you've ever wondered what next level AI looks like in a smartphone, Samsung has made it happen, and I was able to get my hands on it. So today, we're diving into the groundbreaking AI features of the Samsung Galaxy S24. And get ready to have your mind blown. Let's get started with Circle to Search. Imagine you're scrolling through your photo gallery or on the web and stumble upon something intriguing. With the traditional search method, you try to describe it in the Google search box, and that's where the Galaxy S24 changes the game. Now, when you spot something, maybe it's a unique plant in a photo you took or a pair of shoes in an online store, with the S24, all you need to do is long press the home button and draw a circle around your point of interest. You can use your finger, or if you have the S24 Ultra, you can also use the S Pen. Instantly, Google's vast database kicks in, providing you with all the relevant information you need. It's a powerful image-based search engine right at your fingertips. But it's not just limited to plain static images. Let's say you're browsing social media and you see a photo of an electrifying party in Las Vegas. You're curious, but you have no idea where this is. With Circle to Search, just circle the image, and there you go. The exact location, Dre's Beach Club and Nightclub in this instance, pops up. This feature brings a new level of convenience and interactivity to your smartphone experience. And that's just the start of the AI innovation that sets the Galaxy S24 apart from other smartphones. And by the way, I'll have my full review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra dropping soon, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And if you want to pick one up for yourself, I do have a discount link down in the description below. Next, let's talk about instant slow-mo. You know how sometimes you capture a video and think, that moment would look epic if it wasn't slow motion? Well, the Samsung Galaxy S24 makes that super easy. Here's how it works. Let's say you've got this cool video, maybe a cat doing something hilarious, as they do. With instant slow-mo, hit play on the video and then tap and hold during the part that you want to actually be in slow motion. Then release when you want it to go back to normal speed. What's happening here is pretty cool. The AI analyzes the motion in the video and adds interpolation, creating 3 extra frames for every original frame. This means your slow motion isn't just slow, it's also super smooth and never stuttery. And it's not just about slowing down a random part. You have control. After you select the slow motion, you can head into the video editor, and the AI has already marked where you slowed it down on the timeline. You can then adjust it, stretch it out, make it shorter, whatever you like once you're happy. Just hit save and it's ready to share, again, smooth as silk. So whether it's a sports moment, a dance move, or just a fun day out, instant slow-mo brings a cinematic touch to your videos. Moving on to something that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, let's talk about the live translation feature of the Galaxy S24. This is where the AI really flexes its muscles in breaking down language barriers. Imagine you need to make a phone call to someone who speaks another language. With the Galaxy S24, it's no longer a problem. Here's a real-life scenario. You're booking a restaurant reservation, but the person on the other end speaks a different language. With Live Translate, when you make the call, all you need to do is tap on Call Assist and select Live Translate, then choose your language and the language of the person you're calling. The AI takes over from there, translating both sides of a conversation in real time. You speak in your language, they hear it in their language, and vice versa. The beauty of this feature isn't just in the translation, it's how seamless it feels. When you enable Live Translate, the phone courteously informs the other party that the call is going to be interpreted so that it remains respectful and transparent.
With how many people?
I like it at 2:30 a.m. for 15 people.
It is quite a lot of people in the early afternoon who just failed to know that we will be at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's gonna be, we're looking for a really good time. You know, we're out here in Vegas, so it's fine. I also used it to book a car ride. The ease and accuracy of the translation were impressive. Hello, how you doing? I need to get a ride from my hotel.
Which hotel is what time you need it at?
I'm over here at the Marriott. I need the ride at 2:30 a.m.
It's okay, and there's someone else with you. How many people are going to need? He'll be with you.
We need like an SUV. I got 12 people.
Whether it's for travel, business, or connecting with friends and family across the globe, live translation on the Galaxy S24 is like having a personal interpreter in your pocket. Next, let's dive into Note Assist in the Notes app of the Galaxy S24. This is where AI turns into your personal assistant for managing information. And you know the drill. You come across an interesting article or a lengthy post online, and you copy and paste it into your notes to save for later. But then it's just a massive block of text, and that's where Note Assist shines. With the tap, the AI transforms this blob into a neatly organized format with headers and bullet points. You've gained an editor who instantly gets your notes in shape, but it doesn't stop there. Let's say you've got this long text and you just need the key points. The summarize function comes to the rescue. It distills the text down to its essentials, so you get the gist without wading through several paragraphs. And for those who deal with multiple languages, Note Assist is a game changer there too. It can translate the text into one of 13 different languages. So if you've got a note in English, but you need it in Spanish, just use the AI to translate it and you're done. Oh, and a pro tip, you can still use the formatting and summarizing features on the translated text as well. Now let's talk about a superpower for photography enthusiasts. This is Generative Edit on the Galaxy S24. It's AI-powered photo editing taken to a whole new level. So check this out. You've captured a great photo, but something's not quite right. Maybe someone jumped into the frame at the last second, or the alignment is a little off, or you were a half second too late in snapping the image like we see here. With Generative Edit, these are no longer issues. Using the S Pen or just your finger, you can select objects in the photo to move, delete, or even just adjust the photo's rotation. The AI then works its magic, filling in the missing pixels and making everything look natural. And here's a cool example from when you want to get creative. You have a photo of someone skateboarding, but the ground is just flat and boring. With Generative Edit, you can delete the ground and let the AI fill it back in. So what happened in my test? The AI inserted a skate park, turning a simple photo into an even better skateboarding scene. And it's not just about adding and removing elements, it's about creativity. The AI understands the context and generates the pixels that make sense. Whether you're fixing a small flaw or transforming the entire scene, Generative Edit opens up a world of possibilities. All right, the next AI feature I need to show you is the edit suggestions in the photo gallery. This is for those of us who want our photos to look their best, but either don't have the time or the editing know-how. The AI here acts as your professional photo editor with the knowledge of exactly what your photo needs. Here's how it works. You've got a great photo, but there's an annoying reflection in a window or maybe some harsh shadows on someone's face. Typically, fixing these issues would require editing skills that are more than basic. But with edit suggestions, it's simple. Just hit the info button and the AI analyzes the photo and suggests edits. It could be erasing reflections or softening shadows or anything else it deems necessary. For example, in my test, there's a photo here with a window reflection. The AI suggested erasing that reflection, and with just one tap, the problem was solved. Or here in this photo, where there were shadows on someone's face that were easily removed. And if you want more control, you can even dive into the manual settings. But for quick on-the-go edits, edit suggestions is another game changer. Next, let's explore Transcript Assist. This is a feature for anyone who deals with audio recordings, be it business meetings, school lectures, or even podcasts. So imagine you've recorded a conversation or a lecture traditionally. Transcribing this would be a tedious task, but with Transcript Assist, the AI does the heavy lifting for you. It not only transcribes the audio, but also recognizes different speakers, supporting the same 13 languages as Note Assist. But here's where it gets interesting. If you don't want to sift through the entire transcript, the AI can summarize it for you. Just the key points distilled and ready to understand. And if you wish to integrate this with your notes, you can do that too. Import the transcript and summary into Samsung Notes, and then apply all the cool AI features we talked about earlier with Note Assist. Transcript Assist is not just about convenience, it's about transforming the way we interact with our audio content. Up next, let's talk Chat Assist. I'm not sure how often I'll be using this one, but it's a tool that aims to take your messaging game to the next level. The goal is to make sure your messages hit the right note, no matter who you're talking to, be it your mom, a friend, or your boss. So here's a scenario. You're in a rush and need to send a quick message. You type out something like, "Hey, I'm gonna be late to the meeting, save me a seat. I'll bring you some food. I know you're hungry." I know, I'm the coolest friend. But then you wonder if the tone is right for the recipient. This is where Chat Assist shines. With the tap on the AI button, you can transform the style of your message. So you can choose from professional, casual, polite, or even emojify. So the same message can become more formal. "I regret to inform you, I'm slightly delayed for our scheduled meeting. Kindly reserve a seat." Or you can go full casual with hashtags or full-on emoji, making it lighthearted and friendly. But that's not all. Chat Assist can also translate your message into another language and still tweak the tone and style once you've done the translation. It can also check your spelling and grammar, so your messages are always on point. And that's the deep dive into the cutting-edge AI features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup. But if you use a Samsung Galaxy S23 device, Samsung is going to be bringing a lot of these features in the Galaxy AI experience over to your devices sometime here in the first half of 2024. So you get to use the same powerful features without needing to buy a whole new smartphone, bringing the power of Galaxy AI to even more users. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.